Malacanang clarified that the president's rebuke of the Customs Bureau was aimed at the agency's corrupt practices and not directed at Commissioner Biazon. Elena Luna with the details.
President Aquino's confidence in Bureau of Customs Commissioner Rufy Biazon remains the same. Malacanang reiterated President Aquino's words to Biazon after rejecting the commissioner's offer to resign from his post. Biazon posted the reply in his Twitter account. Biazon offered to resign after President Aquino mentioned in his SONA his disappointment in the BOC.
Naiintindihan po ng Pangulo, katulad ng sinabi nga niya kay Commissioner Biazon, naiintindihan po ng Pangulo yung mga hinaharap doon, yung mga reformang kailangang gawin. Given his mandate, nag-iisang tao lang din po siya. At given that the problem in customs is not simple, the corruption is entrenched, nagiging endemic, nagiging systemic na po doon. Ito po yung mga pagkakataong kailangang ibigay para naman humagawa ng tao yung kanyang mandato.
The palace acknowledged the reforms implemented by Biazon when he took the post.
Isa dyan, yung mga naging prickly na issue din dahil doon sa accreditation ng mga nagko-cover sa BOC. Ang numbers nila ay more in the hundreds, yung puta nila nung pagpasok nila doon. Ngayon, inayos na po nila yung system of accreditation when it comes to the reporters. Also, to be fair to the legitimate reporters who are assigned to cover the BOC. Marami naman po, marami na rin po naman silang nagagawa. Of course, given the breadth and length of the problem, more needs to be done.
Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Baltes says other reform measures are in the pipeline. She adds Biazon is aware of the steps he must do to implement these.
It is properly categorized as this is the shot across the bow already. Ito na ho yung warning. Hindi na lang ho siya warning. The President was very explicit na ubos na po ang pasensya niya doon sa mga miyembro ng mga ahensya, nung ahensya na iniisip siguro na sandali lang yan, matatapos din yan. We can sit this out. They are mistaken at obviously matagal na pong nakatitig ang Pangulo sa kanila.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.